Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to send Ronin to Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So sadly, Ronin is not supported by Binance. So the best method here that we're going to do is to swap your Ronin to SLP or USD coin. First, we need to install Ronin extension on your Chrome. Go and click on Add New tab right here and then search for Ronin Wallet extension. Go to the official website of Ronin Wallet and then here click on Install on Chrome button. Once you click on that, you will find here a button which says Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. So here you just need to wait for a few seconds until you're done installing the Ronin Wallet extension on your Chrome. Now here, once done, all you need to do is go back to Binance and then click on the extension right here. So we're going to pin that Ronin wallet and then click on the Ronin wallet extension. And from here, you just need to click on Get Started and you will now go to this page, click on I'm new, let's get set up, click Allow Tracking, and then you just need to create your account using Google account. Now once your Ronin wallet is set up, go right here on Binance and click on Ronin wallet extension. From here, you want to click on the swap button. Now select the token here and select the token which is the Smooth Love Potion or SLP. And then you just need to enter the amount you want to swap. And once done, click on the swap button right here at the bottom. Then a notification from Ronin wallet will pop up and you will need to pay for the gas fee. Once done here, go back to the Binance main dashboard. Now here on the Binance dashboard, as you can see, you just need to click on the deposit button right there at the top right and then click here deposit crypto. And then we just need to select the coin right here, which is the SLP. So search SLP right here, select on that, and then we should need to click on the select network. Now once you click on this drop down menu, you just need to select the Ronin right here, and then you can now scan the QR code or copy the address. Once you copy down the URL or address, go now to Ronin wallet extension and click on transfer button. Now from here, you just need to paste the address that we copied from Binance account. And then, so right click right here and then click on the paste. Now here, select the asset which is SLP. And then you just need to set the amount of SLP you want to withdraw. Once you click on next button, you will now have to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough token on your Ronin wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then wait for the transaction to be completed. Then once done, go to wallet and check if you have received your SLP. So that's it. That's how you basically send Ronin to Binance. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.